Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create and use a video using a text template. So first of all, open up your CapCut application software or the online web tool in your browser. Now, after opening CapCut, create a project and this is going to be your interface. Now let's rename our project name to project 2, and now we are going to import our video and audio images. So first, click on this import area and select the file that you want to import. Now after importing the file, simply click on import here again. So this is the first video, and now let's click on import again and select another file. Let's select another file. Let's go to downloads and let's use this sound. Open that. Now here you have an audio file. Now first we are going to add our video, so simply drag and drop the video. After that, when it's added, click on the second audio file, drag it and drop it here, or you can simply click on it at a time, and then as you can, it is playing the sound, but simply right click on it, or you can simply click on this plus button to add the file on the track. Now here I will have to decrease its length because we're just gonna need to have this much. And now let's go to our home. Now we are going to edit this sound. Let's first normalize this loudness, and now let's go to volume here, scroll down. Okay, now first we are going to use fade in. Here you can see that it is changing. You can simply move this arrow here. You can move this point to add 10 seconds of fade in effect, and now the same way 10 seconds of fade out effect on the last. Now you can also do this with the video. Click on the video and then go to scroll down until you see that it has animation option, and you can simply download these options. So this is going to open up with this animation, which is fade in, or you can simply use this zoom in. Okay, let's use this zoom in, and now let's create our first text. So let's go to text box on this top right, third option, which says text, and then here you can see that add text. So if you click on this, it will show you that how the text is going to look. So this is the text box here. Now it is a simple text box and we need a template. So as the video is about how to use the template while editing, so we are going to use our template. Now go to effects. Let's check how many effects we have. There's a lot of free effects that you can use in CapCut. CapCut. Now let's go to text template. Here you can see that there is a lot of text templates. You can use these text templates. For example, if I click on the first one and the last one, let's download these. Now let's download also this. Let's scroll down. Let's download this one. Okay, let's scroll down until you choose one of these templates. I will be choosing from this one. Let's add this one, also this one, also this one. Okay, we will be using these 3 templates. Now to use our templates, let's select the first one, which is this one. Select the first one, and now here I can see that the paragraph says subscribe me, which is this one. So here I'm going to increase its size and position. So let's increase size. Okay. Now as you can see that we can align our with the snapping. Now let's go select this. Let's move this first subscribe me option. Let's make it here, and now you can see that where the button is, where the text template is going to be. Now let's decrease its size and let's keep it over here. Now let's add, as we have added the music, you can also use different types of effects if you like. Now we are going to edit this one. Let's see how many things we can edit. This is the templates and this is the effects. If you want to change or add any types of effects to your template. Now let's select the second one, which is thanks for watching. So basically thanks for watching goes to the finishing. Okay, let's keep. So the video length is about 2 minutes, so it doesn't matter. So now let's go for 10 seconds of thanks for watching. Here it is going to look like this. Okay, let's keep it under here. Now from this panel I will simply go down and select effects, because it already has an text which says thank you, and then again it says thanks for watching and subscribe me. Now this is why I'm going to change the art style. I can use the red one if I want. I can also use this art. These are the text templates and effects. With the effects I can use this, or I can use the first one which was red and convert it to look like this. Basically you can create high-end video editings, but you will just have to keep focusing on your work. Let's select this red one and let's scroll down. Okay, let's go to basic, and now let's go to tracking. This is the text to speech. You can also add this text to speech option so that At the last, your character or the AI will say, "Thanks for watching." Now here, as you can see that the video, when it's finishes, this text is going to come out like this, which is perfect. Now let's head over to the home and let's see how and what it says. Second round. So here on the first one, let's add about 5 seconds for each of the rounds. Let's start from the beginning. Now here you can see that these are the both paragraphs which says second and then round. Now I'm going to write first round or first class, and now the same way I'm going to copy this and play the text, play the video. And one more thing that you can do with the text box or the text templates is to add animations. So basically these templates have already added transitions, for example here. So that's the transition that this text has. Now for the second round, simply I'm going to copy this with a Ctrl+C and paste multiple text boxes, text templates. Now it's for the second class, first class. Okay, it is showing 2 times, it doesn't matter. We will focus on the video where it changes. Now here you can see that it changes here. Now here on this tab, text, go to text, basic, and select the first paragraph. Now I can write second class. After that, now again right click and copy, and after that here you can see that it changes. So basically this is going to be our third class. Now simply paste that and write third. So after that it's going to show you third class. And now let's paste the text and write fourth class and hit enter. So this is the 5th class, which is this one, and the number is still here because the page is on number 2. Let's paste the same text template and write fifth template. Let's play our video, which is going to be 5th class. And now here you can see that we are on number 3, which is here. Let's paste our text and write 6th class, and let's play the video. Okay, it is working fine. Now I will have to add few more texts. Use the Ctrl+V to add any more texts. Now on this one, let's go back, let's scroll down here and let's see what was the previous it was the 6th class, and now this is going to be the 7th class. 7th class. And this is going to be the 8th or 9th class. Copy and paste that. Okay. So basically this is the 5th class, which is on 32nd, and this is the 4th class. Here you can say 3, 4. This is where it changes. Now let's scroll down here. Let's zoom in. Here you can see that number 3 goes out and number 4 enters. Here we are going to copy and paste our second text, and now let's write 8 class and hit enter. And now we have to add our next class, which is 10th class. After that, okay, let's paste our text. Let's go. That's the 5th number, which says 10th class. Okay, we have to edit this one and make it 9th class. Here I'm going to add this text box and paste it there. Now on this one, let's write 12 class and play the video. This is the 12th class. And now this is going to be the 7th class. Simply I will paste our text, and it's only going to show you 2nd class. So let's go back to this one. This was the 12th class, and write it on the first text paragraph that thumbnail creation. So basically this is 12th class, so this is going to be 13th. Let's write 13 class, and 13 class, 12, 13. Copy and paste, and now let's change its text. 16, I think. 13. So we will have to add 14th class. Hit enter. Now this is the 14th class. Let's make it bold. Now let's increase the size of this text manually. Let's make it bold. Yeah, bold. I will need the bolds. Here you can see that it says stroke. We might have to use that stroke option later. Now here you can see that you can transform the text here. Let's scale it up like this. And now, as we have added our 14th class, so let's keep it this way. And now from the both of the teams, which is now let's change this both of these tracks, which we are going to cut our video here. Cut with Ctrl+B, and every one of them will cut. Let me turn this off, which is why. And now let's delete the remaining ones. Here it says thank you. So this is the subscribe me, and this is the second class. We will not need that. It is also the second class. This is the 14th class, and I think this was enough. Now let's decrease the size, and also let's decrease this sticker, and now let's decrease the music file. Now this was the 14th class, and here you can see that there is one more file missing. Let's increase these sizes, and now let's add our last sticker, which says thank you. Go to sticker and search for thank you. Let's go to brand stickers, trending. Let's select the trending, and if you can't find it, you will have to create your own with the text boxes. Okay. So basically what I see that, let's add this one, subscribe, select the text and add it to your video. Let's make it as same size as the first audio video clips. Okay, now let's make it the same as for the audio and video clips. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's see how it is looking. So the subscribe button is way too much bigger. I will have to simply drag that, but before that I will have to see that where these text boxes are going. Okay, as it's smaller, I will simply get that over here, and we are ready to export our video. Okay, now as you can see that it is wider, the video is wider, we are going to select 16:9 ratio, and after that we have successfully edited our video with text template. Now we are going to export our video. Simply click on export to export our video file. Here you can save it to your PC or any types of drives. Select 1080p for 1080p resolution. Select bitrate as recommended or high, and select codec as same here, H.264, and select the format as MOV or MP4. Now select the format as 60 fps, and you can also check it for copyright. It is going to check a little bit of time to completely process each of the videos. Now after it is checked that there is no copyright checked, which is passed, so simply click on export. Remember that if the video size is the duration is about 1 minute 23 seconds and the size is about 123 MB. Now let's click on export. Make sure that it is exported successfully. Now let's wait for a few seconds. After it's exported, I will show you that how it is looking. Now you can see that the video is completely exported. Simply we are now going to select on this open folder, and it will open up the video. Double click on it and the video file is now opened. Now we are going to listen to and we are going to see our exported video. Simply click on the play button. Here you can see that it is working with the templates, and also here you can see this sticker and also the effects and split screens. Also you can hear the music. So basically everything is working fine. Okay, let's jump into the video as everything is working fine. Now this sticker is also working, so it is working perfectly fine. Now let's go back to our CapCut, and now let's cancel this, and you can also save or share this video directly to your YouTube channel, and that's it. You can also save the file if you want to. Okay, and yeah, that's how you can use and create a video using text templates. Thanks for watching the video.